Welcome to Dr. PC Verma Economics YouTube class. In this class, we discuss mathematical economics, which will be used in IES, Indian Economic Service, UPSC, master's degree in economics with mathematical economics, and in graduation also. This is the most interesting part of modern economics. In microeconomics also, this tool is applied. Partial derivative, mathematical economics calculation of partial derivative. Partial derivative means if you have 3 variables, 4 variables, then you will find out its derivative one by one. First, keeping second, third constant, then second, keeping first and third constant, then third, keeping first and second constant. In that way, in 3 variables, we have 3 partial derivatives. In the last class, we have discussed the rules of calculation. Continuing this topic of partial derivative, I am giving you some more questions related to partial derivative. Find the partial derivative for z is equal to 3x square y cube. In this case, 2 variables are there. So there will be calculation for del z, del x, and del z, del y. Let us take first one. Del z by del x is equal to zx is equal to here 3 into 2, 6 x. 2 minus 1 will be 1, that is 6x. 6x y3. Y3 is constant. It will be written as y cube. So the answer will be 6x y cube. And in case of del x by del y, you can also write zy is equal to, it is with respect to y. So 3 3 is 9 constant, and x square is constant. and you are differentiating with respect to yq. Yq, q is written here 9, 3 into 3, 9, and this will be 1 minus then square, y square. So this one is partial derivative of z, partial derivative of z with respect to x, and this is partial derivative of z with respect to y. This is example 1. Example 2. Example 2 is taken. Let z is equal to 3x plus 5 2x minus 6y by product rule. Product rule. We all know in product rule, one by one we will differentiate, taking one constant, differentiate this one. Taking this one constant, differentiate this one. So let us first differentiate with respect to x. Then our first term, three x plus 5, and we will have to differentiate with respect to x, this term, 2x minus 6, 7. Thereafter plus. Now this will be as a constant here, 2x minus 6y, and this will be with respect to x, differentiation, 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. We will solve it. This is with respect to x, x here. This will be just copied constant, and here only 2 will be derivative. Derivative of x to x will be 1, and this is constant, so 0. Plus, here you will write 2x minus 6y and differentiate this with respect to x. Then what you will get? This will be 0 and x will be 1 and 3. Only 3 will be there. And this constant will be 0. Then you will solve it. See, this will be what will happen? 6x plus 10 plus here 3 to 6x minus 6 into 3, 18y. Finally, what will happen? 6y then 6x plus 6x minus. Question was 2x plus 2x plus 6y then 6 and 6x will be 12x plus 10 plus 18y. 12x plus 10 plus 18y. So product rule, z is equal to 3x plus 5, 2x plus 6y, 2x plus 6y. By product rule, we will solve it in the u v dash plus bu dash formula in two variable case, or any product rule we use in differential calculus. Same thing will be applied in partial derivative. 3x plus 5 as it is here, 2x plus 6, 5, 6, 7, it is 6, 7 constant का 0, 2x का डेरिवेटिव होगा 2, ये हुआ plus 2x plus 6y, and here it is 3x plus 5, dx 2x 6y plus 3x plus 5, 2x plus 6y, and its derivative with respect to x3. Then 3 into 2, 6x, 5 into 2, plus 10, 2x into 3, 6x, and 6y into 3, 18, 18y. Finally, we will add x1, x, 6x, 6, 12x, plus 10, plus 18y. That is the answer. This is del z by del x. Now we have to find out del z by del y. So we will have to calculate del z by del y. We can write it as zy. Here, this one also, we can write it zx. Zy will be equal to, question is the same. We will write down 3x plus 5 and differentiate this one. This one will be, differentiate this one, del by del y, and method is like 2x plus 6y. And then plus, then plus, then now we will write 2x plus 6y and differentiate with respect to y this first term, 3x plus 5. 3x first one, this term will be differentiated, 2x plus 6y, plus this term will be the first term, and this term will be differentiated, 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5. In this sense, what we find out that with respect to y, we have to take, but here there is no y. This is x and this is constant. So this will be 0. And here, with respect to y, it will differentiated. Then we will have 2x 18. Then differentiate first one and 2x and 6y. 6y will be only 6, y will be 1. In the next page, we will show it. Del z by del y is equal to, solving this, we will write it like zy equal to 3x plus 5 into 6 plus 2x minus 6y into 0. Why it has become so? First term zy 3x plus 5 and 2x plus 6y. तो 2x हो जाएगा 0 और 6y होगा only 6y equal to 1. And in this case, del z del y will be with respect to y, this will be 0 and only 5 will be there. $18. Three x plus 5, 2x plus 6, 5. 6, 5. So the answer of partial derivative thus del z by del x will be equal to 12x plus 10 plus 18y, and del z by del y is equal to 18x plus 30. First answer will be 12x plus 10 plus 18y, and del z by del y 18x plus 30. So in this way, you will calculate whatever question is related to partial derivative. You will apply this technique and find out the partial derivative with respect to x, y, z. There will be 3 variable, 2 variable, and we all know that in economics there are 5 variables: land, labor, capital, organization, entrepreneur. Land, labor, capital, organization, entrepreneur. Five factors of production. In that equation, we will have 5 variables. Likewise, multi-variable functions, you will find out partial derivative in this way. You like this channel, subscribe this channel, and comment this channel. This is what needed by the teacher. And those who are appearing in All India Economic Services, they are very marks fetching this mathematical economics in terms of microeconomics or macroeconomics. This is given. You will have to calculate. Thank you for watching this video.